Hello friends, in this series of count function, I'll explain you COUNTIF function. So what is COUNTIF function? The COUNTIF function in Excel counts the number of cells in a range that meet a specific condition or criteria. So we can say COUNTIF function is a combination of count plus if function. We are combining them and looking for the counts when the specific condition is meeting. The syntax for COUNTIF function is we need to provide the range and then the criteria, that is the condition. So range is nothing but it is a group of cells which we want to see or test. Criteria is a condition which we want to match in a specific range. So let's learn how we can use COUNTIF function using an example. So friends, here we are having a data set of singers. That means we are having 4 columns. We are having the details of song number, last name of singer, date, and the minutes, that is the duration of song. So looking at this data set, we need to see or we need to give the answers of the mentioned question. The first question says, how many songs were sung by Britney Spears? So as in the question, the last name of the singer is Spears. We need to see in the B column, that is containing the last name of the singer. So that way, here we can give the answer of this question using the COUNTIF function because the condition is specified here. We need to count how many songs were sung by Britney Spears. So I will put a equal sign using the COUNTIF function. I need to firstly give the range. So I'll give the range of B column where the last names are given of the singers. So I will select the range. After selecting the range, we need to put a comma as we need to give the second parameter, which is the criteria. And here the criteria is pairs. So either we can select wherever we are finding these pairs in the range, or we can type also these pairs. So we will see in both the ways. After that, you can close the bracket, you can press the enter. Answer is coming as 129 songs were sung by Britney Spears. Now, looking the same problem in the another way. Again, you can put a COUNTIF function, provide the range. This time I'm typing the range, and then after the comma in the double quote, I am giving the name of or the last name of the singer, that is Spears. You need to write the spelling correctly, otherwise you will get the 0. Then press enter, you can see we are getting the same figure. Now we will give the answer of the second question. The second question is, how many songs were played before June 15, 2004? So again, condition is there. So I will use the COUNTIF function. Now range. So as this particular problem is related with the date, so I will now give the range of the date column. So here I am writing C2 colon C952 comma, and then the condition is I am looking for before, that means less than 15 June 2004 double quote bracket close, and then press enter. So it is returning us 263 songs were sung before June 15, 2004. Next question is, how many songs were sung by singers whose last name begins with M? So friends, in this condition, as after M there can be any other alphabets. So that means this is a problem of the wildcards. So how we can use that? Again, we can put a equal sign. After that, we can type the COUNTIF function, and then problem is related with the last name. So we need to give the range of last name column, which is B2 colon B90 952. After that, in the double quote, last name should start with M, and then after this we will put the asterisk, we will put the or close the double quote, and then after closing the bracket, we can press enter. So answer is coming as 493. Then in the next condition or in the next question, how many songs were sung by singers whose names contain an E? So where means the position of E is not fixed, but E should appear in the last name. So again, you can write the COUNTIF, provide the range of the second column, that is B2 colon B952 after comma. Now in the double quote, I will give asterisk E asterisk. So that way, wherever the Excel will find E in the last names, it will count it. So the answer is coming as 704. In the next cell, we need to give the answer of the question, create a formula that always yields the number of songs played today. So again, this problem is related with the date. So that means we need to give the range of C column inside the COUNTIF function. So which is C2 colon C 952, comma, then for today's date, there is a function in the Excel named as today. So only this you need to pass without passing any parameter inside it. Then close the bracket, press enter. So it is returning us 0. So as I think you can go and see, no song is sung today because already data is given to us and it is not containing today's date. So the last question is, how many songs sung by Barry Manilow? So in this case, again, the problem is related with the last name of the singer, as the complete name is not given to us. So we will only search for the last name using the COUNTIF function. In the second column, providing the range of it. After the comma, I am writing the name, the last name, that is Manilow. I need to write or spell it correctly, and then I can press enter. It is returning us 114. So friends, this way using the COUNTIF function, we can get the answers of so many questions depending what is the condition, and according to the condition, you need to provide the range, and after that you need to give the condition, and that way the COUNTIF function will return you the count. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for watching my next videos. Thank you so much.